guys, this is a video on how to remove watermark from your Meta AI. You know, whenever you generate a story on Meta AI, it always comes with watermark, just like this one I created here just now. So this came with this watermark here. Look at it here, you can see the watermark there. So how can we remove this watermark before using this video, this image for whatever use you want to use it for? I want to use mine for my folktale channel. So
I'm Esther Adiele, also known as Smiling Angel. So when you come to this channel, please relax, because you're going to be living with value, so much value. Yes, so encourage me. I'm a new YouTuber. Encourage me, subscribe, turn on the notification button, like and comment when you are done gaining value for this particular video.
If this is of value to you, join me as I teach you how to remove watermark from Meta AI images. So how do we remove watermark from these images? Personally, I use Canva. This is our Canva. So we are going to be removing this watermark. We are going to import this particular picture into our Canva. Okay, so I'm going to click on the plus sign. We click on the plus sign. I'm going to click on the square. Either you can use your YouTube square or you can use your Instagram square to import your picture, except when you want to expand your picture, okay, to 16:9 if you're using it for YouTube channel, okay, but you can't do it using your phone. You have to do it on a system. All right, so this is the picture here I just generated just now. So instead of me to expand this picture like this by dragging it, another easiest way of sizing this picture to fit your frame is to go to, if you're using your phone, you go to more, then you now go to set as background, touch the image, to click on effect. Now we are going to go to magic eraser. Look at it here, magic eraser. We are going to click on magic eraser. So this is our brush. You can choose to increase your brush size, okay, or you can choose to decrease it, no matter how you want it. So I'm going to leave mine at 35 or 37 thereabout. The next thing, I'm going to click gently on where the logo is. I'm going to just brush up. Are you seeing it? Then I will now click on erase. Beautiful. Can you see it? You can no longer see any logo in this particular place. When you are done doing that, then you download your image back to your phone or back to your system, anyone that you are using. Beautiful. It has finished downloading. Now let's go to our gallery to confirm that our picture is actually, that the logo has actually removed. Let's go to our gallery. So this is our gallery. I have both pictures here. Now look at it here. This is the one. Look at it. Can you see anything like logo here? Then if you go to the next one, we will see logo here. Can you see it? So this is how it is done. All right, I hope you've gained value. If you've gained value from this tutorial, kindly subscribe to my channel and also give me a thumbs up. Also comment, please, very necessary, and tell me the next video you want me to do.